At Lilian, we make cabinets stylish and affordable without giving up the practical function you need as a busy cook. Whether you are entertaining friends or just planning a meal for your family, you have access to everything you need. Having a floor-to-ceiling pantry with multiple roll-out shelves makes the most of available space. The shelves allow for maximum storage and easy access to staples because nothing is out of sight. And they come with soft closing side mount glides. Let's take a look at the storage possibilities of these drawers. Our adjustable drawer peg organizer system includes 16 pegs and is ideal for easy access to those odds and ends. You can even customize it. This drawer shows how easy it is to keep your pots and lids neat and organized. Of course, all of our drawers include our unique dovetail assembly with superb craftsmanship and soft close features. Meal prep is easy with your cutting board mounted right inside your cabinet door. And cooking trays held in our U-shaped chrome divider. No time is wasted hunting through cabinets to find what you need. Utilizing storage space in a blind corner, we added a 2-tier white half-moon shelf that pivots, again preventing anything from being out of sight when you need it.